given problem can be split into sum of the fractions. That means partial fractions. Applying partial fractions, a by x square plus 1 plus b by x square plus 2 plus c by x square plus 3. Now this is a into x square plus 2 into x square plus 3 plus b into x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 plus c into x square plus 1 into x square plus 2. That is x square minus 1. Now when x is equal to 0, minus 1 is equal to 6a plus 3b plus 2c. This is equation number 1. And x square coefficients 1 is equal to 35a plus 4b plus 3c. That is second one. And constants minus 1 is equal to 6a. No constant. X square coefficients and is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, it is 0. 1, 3 into 4, 12a plus 4 2s are 8a plus 6, that is third one. Solve 1, 2 and 3. We get a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Now a by means minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus b by means 3 by x square plus 2 plus minus 2 by x square plus 3. So that is equal to minus tan inverse x plus 3 by root 2 into tan inverse x by root 2 minus 2 by root 3 into tan inverse x by root 3, which is the answer. Question number 7. Integral x dx by x square plus 2x plus 2 whole square. That can be written as integral x dx by, this is x plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. Here put x plus 1 is equal to tan theta. Now dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. So now x dx, x means tan theta minus 1 into dx means secant square theta into d theta by tan square theta plus 1 whole square. Now this is 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So secant square is cancelled. Integral tan theta minus 1 by secant square theta into d theta. Now here it is integral sin by cos sin theta into cos theta sin theta into cos theta minus secant square theta d theta, sorry, cos square theta d theta. Now this is 1 by 2 into integral secant theta sin theta into cos theta d theta 2 into multiplying and dividing minus integral cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 integral sin 2 theta into d theta minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta into d theta. So this is 1 by 2 into minus cos 2 theta minus 1 by 2 under theta by 2 minus 1 by 2 into sin 2 theta. So here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is taken common. Cos 2 theta in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus sin 2 theta means 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta minus theta by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus, this is x plus 1 whole square by 1 plus x plus 1 whole square plus 2 into x plus 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 2 into tan inverse x plus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into taking LCM, that is on the top. Question number 8. Integral 1 by sin x minus cos x dx. That can be written as 1 by root 2 into integral 1 by root 2 sin x minus 1 by root 2 cos x. Multiplying 1 by root 2 and dividing 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into integral dx by, this is a sin x minus pi by 4. This is 1 by root 2 into integral cosecant x minus pi by 4 dx. We know that this is 1 by root 2 into log 1 tan x by 2 minus pi by 8 plus 6 is the answer. Question number 9. Integral root of sin x plus root of cos x whole power minus 4 dx. That can be written as 1 by root of sin x plus root of cos x whole to the power 4 into dx. This can be written as, we can take the root cos x is common, that means dx by cos square x into root of tan x plus 1 whole to the power of 4. Now this is integral secant square x dx by root tan x plus 1 whole to the power of 4. So put root of tan x plus 1 is equal to t. Now applying derivative on both sides, 1 by 2 root t tan x into tan x derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now secant square x dx is equal to 2 into t minus 1 into dt. So therefore integral numerator is 2 into t square minus 1 dt by t to the power 4. So that is 2 into integral t to the power of minus 3 minus t to the power of minus 4 dt. This is 2 into t to the power of minus 2 by minus 2 minus t to the power of minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. Now this is 2 by t square is common, 1 by minus 2 minus plus 1 by 3 into t plus c. So that is 2 by root t means root of tan x plus 1 whole square into 1 by 3 into root of tan x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 6 is the answer.